Do you know what is subject, or what's the difference between pronouns and subject pronouns? Are they confusing? Don't worry, I'm gonna talk about them in this video. First of all, to make a sentence, you need two parts, subject and verb. The subject is the doer of the sentence, and the verb is the action. So the subject do the action in a sentence. For example, Tom drives a taxi. In this sentence, Tom is the doer of the action, so it is the subject. And the action is driving, so drives is the verb. Another example, Rosie sings a song. Again, Rosie is the doer of the action, and the action is singing, so sings is the verb of the sentence. If you want to find the subject in a sentence, first look at the verb and ask yourself who or what is doing the action in that sentence. The answer is your subject. Look at these examples. Jack and Rosie study together, or Mary, Daniel, and Tom play baseball. Pay attention that you can have more than one person or thing doing the action in a sentence. Now you know what is a subject. It's time to know what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a short word that you can replace nouns. It means you can use pronouns instead of nouns in a sentence. Maybe you ask yourself, what is a subject pronoun then? Obviously, it's a pronoun, but because it's a subject pronoun, it comes before the verb of the sentence. Earlier, we had this example that Tom drives a taxi. We can use a pronoun instead of Tom, and because Tom is the subject of the sentence, we have to use a proper subject pronoun, which is he. So our sentence is, he drives a taxi. We have singular subject pronouns and plural subject pronouns. Let's talk about singular subject pronouns first. First person singular is I. I'm talking to you right now. Second person singular is you. You're watching my videos. There are 3 different subject pronouns for third person singular. One of them is he. He is used for boys and men. He wears glasses. Next one is she. She is used for girls and women. She likes green. And the last singular subject pronoun is it. It refers to things and animals in a sentence. For example, it's a chair, or it's a dog. So we should complete this part with I, you, he, she, and it. Now it's time to talk about plural subject pronouns. First person plural is we. We are happy today. Second person plural is you. For example, you're listening to me. Third person singular is they. They say hello. So we should complete plural part with we, you, and they. It's practice time. Now try to write or say the correct subject pronoun. David is a football player. He is a football player. Emma works in a hospital. She works in a hospital. Max, Alex, and Tom play basketball. They play basketball. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more videos, please subscribe.